I think it would do not only the team but Coach Chot mismo to if he would personally step down as Gilas Pilipinas head coach. Sa akin, total revamp eh. Right now, yung SBP won't be having its selection, I think, until after the Paris Olympics next year. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan. We have to make do kung sino man yung nandiyan ngayon. So, ako I'd rather suggest na magkaroon na ng changes within the team, coaching-wise. And sa tingin ko, kailangan ng isang program director like what Tab Baldwin was in the past. No? I think isang full-time coach and isang full-time project director, no, who will work hand in hand to develop, to scout talent, and to expose the team internationally. No? During the loss against Angola, Coach Chot in the podium, makikita mo sa body language niya, sa facial expression niya. Alam mong ano na siya, apektado na rin siya kung ano man yung nangyayari sa team, kung ano man yung natatanggap niyang negative imbibe, no? Especially sa mga basketball fans. Alam naman natin si Coach Chot, even before, pag nagsalita yan, kumpiyansa yan, confident. Pero the past 2 games wala na yung ganung aura niya no? So ako I think it would do not only the team but Coach Chot mismo to if he would personally step down as Gilas Pilipinas head coach. I don't think na worth it for him pa rin to continue coaching the national team. No? I'm saying that not because galit ako sa kanya or on a professional level lang. I think apektado na yung team mismo and himself personally. No? So I think mas makakabuti kay Coach Chot if he would really step down as Gilas Pilipinas head coach. Ang problema lang natin dito is Sir Dudes and Ruben, yung Asian Games is ang window no ng preparation is I think 2-3 weeks lang no. So I don't know what course SBP will take if they will retain Chot as coach or baka pwedeng ipasok muna si Coach Tim no as replacement dahil total nandiyan na rin naman siya within the system. I think that would do good for a while no yung coaching staff and yung program director ang nakikita kong initial na steps and needs na kailangan natin gawin para mabago itong sistema, itong programa sa national team.